Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is today, Wednesday the 26th of July. It's a quick tour of my little cottage garden. Here we have, just through here, beautiful Japanese anemones. Absolutely love those. My little privet hedge looking well. Come down here, we have little gorgeous fuchsias, like little belly dancers. Ballet dancers, not belly dancers. That'd be a bit weird. Come down here, my tree lilies, which the bees and butterflies are going mad over. My hollyhocks. See it there. These perennial geraniums have flowered for the last 2 or 3 months, been doing really, really well. Here we have some phlox. Beautiful scented phlox. Absolutely love these. And then across here, some more lilies. And there's some daylilies next to those. Come down here, we have beautiful apple white hollyhock. Absolutely amazing. Just love this view from here. Got Lucifer to the right. When I get up in the morning, just go sit on the lawn there, and all I can hear is the bees buzzing about. Absolutely amazing. Dwarf centre lily, absolutely massive. From around here we have, this is a white carnation, just getting ready for flowering, which would be brilliant. Next to that, a little snapdragon. And then we have my lupins that have been pruned back after setting seed. And then my beautiful Japanese anemones. Absolutely love these. One of the neighbours gave them me a few years ago, and they look absolutely stunning. These beautiful lemon cream lilies. These are the peonies that are finished flowering now, that are dead-headed. Down here the hostas are just getting ready to flower. The slugs and the snails absolutely love these leaves though. Yeah, they got absolutely mad for these. But yeah, a lot of people don't realise hostas have really nice flowers on them. Some more phlox. And then some beautiful pink hollyhocks there. You have the ivy here that I'm going to trim back again. I always keep it trimmed just below the main branches. And then we have, going up the back there, on this side, clematis. Down here, some more daylilies. The sweet pea that's just about getting ready to flower, which is great. This pink hollyhock is absolutely amazing. My little tree here, which I absolutely love. Come down here, some more beautiful phlox. Absolutely love. Then we come all the way down here. Beautiful lemon hollyhock. But as you can see here, the rust. I've not sprayed for rust this year. Trying to keep the use of chemicals down to a minimum. But I do not like the look of those. Absolutely nasty. And now beautiful red crocosmia. Little bees. We're mad for it there. Amazing. Got loose for this one. If we come down here, we have ta-da! Beautiful penstemon that grow from seed. That's amazing colours on that. And agapanthus, just getting ready for flowering. Then in my tub here we have gladioli. And then this is self-seeded from last year. I'm really surprised about. These look like petunias to me. They definitely are. So I'm going to pot these up, and I'll be really interested to see how these get on. See how the flowers look. And then we have my climber there. Jasmine, beautiful scented climber this. Tied it in the other day. Made a little video about it. Yeah, clot of cream it's called. It's a lovely yellow tinge to it. Here we have my little cat, Sonny. Hi Tiger, absolutely loves it in there. Some more phlox here. You have the agapanthus just starting to open up. This is I think it's hybrid or hybrid variety. Here's one called Queen Mum. Beautiful white with a blue stripe in it. Absolutely great. Yeah, that one's beautiful whitish blue. And if you come around here, we have, they look absolutely amazing. Gladioli, they've been in all winter. I've got two coming there, which is going to be absolutely great. Yeah, the climber just there, jasmine. Absolutely love it sitting here with a cup of tea. As you can see, everything's in flower now, and the scent inside the. Here we have some of the back garden borders. This has not been really looked after this year. But here we have some delphiniums that have been grown from seed. Absolutely love those. The white eyes on those are epic. As you can see here, though, they do suffer with powdery mildew. Do need spraying for that regularly. We come around here. A rose that was bought from a garage a few years ago. That needs pruning back. Some dahlias that have been left in over winter. I'm really pleased about. As you come down here, we have these beautiful echinaceas that have been grown from seed. These look absolutely amazing. And look at that, the bees and butterflies absolutely love it. Then we have at the back there a beautiful like grape colour penstemon. We come round here, we have some achillea, which varying colours. Another pink one here. Looks absolutely amazing. Come around here, pampas grass in the corner. Then we have all the way to the greenhouse there. Yeah, any questions about anything growing in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.